Hi, and welcome to AliTech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the format of your calendar on Outlook depending on how you want to view and how you want to set up your events. So if you go onto your calendar, up here in the top right, you can see a drop-down menu for the month. If you click that, you can choose by day, school week, or month. So let's just view each one. So for day, you can look at this as by time slot, so you can see your events by time. This is where you can actually set up. This is like a good way to set up your school schedule as well. So if you wanted to set it up by time, by what class, by what time you have tests at, anything like that. If you go back to this drop-down menu, we're going to click school week. Now this is set up by a day-to-day basis for 1 week. So this is where you can set up more of like a block class, so like block by block by block per day. And you can change it up however you need to, insert things, anything like that. This is just a nicer way to set it up so you can insert it by class blocks. The next one you can do is the weekly one. This is just by the weeks. The other one's more by a scheduled school, like for like a school week looking type setup for the calendar. This one's more of just a basic week type of, it's kind of the same thing, but this one is showing Sunday and Saturday, but the other one was only showing Monday through Friday. And then we're back to the basic month one. This is where you can just set up like anything just generalized for the month, so you can plan ahead rather than just working on that 1 week. So this is just a basic setup. Thank you for watching. Check out my other videos on any other tips and tricks.